Welcome to Understand. This is Jordan with SciTools. Today we will be talking about a bunch of exciting new improvements that have been made to the Visual Studio Code extension for Understand. So we're starting with a small C project, fastgrep.und, and we've loaded it into Visual Studio Code. And now we'll talk about some of the really cool new improvements that have been made. So you may have to restart the extension when you go to your extensions here. But once you do, you'll see this new Understand sidebar. So once you click that, you have a sidebar that's syncing with Understand's AI overview, syncing with Understand's annotations, showing contextual graphs and references for each entity. So as you can see here, we're in regerror.c and we have the macro errorveil highlighted here. So what we can do is we can press this icon right here to generate an AI overview for this entity. So it tells us a little bit about what to expect from this entity and what it does. And as you can tell, you can also see an AI overview for the scope, which is regerror, the function. You can also see that the annotations have been synced up. So this is an annotation I actually made on the project in Understand. And you can also edit it as well, and that will sync up with the project in Understand. Now you can also, when you have an entity selected, you get a dynamic graph selection window here. So with errorveil selected, we can open the data flow out graph directly in VS Code now. We don't have to go to Understand. We can look at object references, and then if we go to another entity, so let's go to regerror and we highlight that, you'll see that now we can generate a butterfly, called by, calls graph, control flow, all for regerror. The other great thing is now not only can we peek at references with VS Code like we could before, but now in this Understand sidebar, we actually have dynamically updating references. So if we go and we, let's select errorveil again, we see it has a use in regerror on line 7. That's where we are. It's being used in timer.c. line 97, and you can jump directly to it just by clicking around. And that just makes things really convenient. So this was just a quick video to show the improvements that have been made to the VS Code extension for Understand with the release of build 7.2. Hopefully you find use out of this and let us know your thoughts. You can find more information on the VS Code extension or anything else in Understand at support.scitools.com.